skyscraper. Make a skyscraper. It's a skyscraper's blue. It's red.
You're building a skyscraper?
Yeah. A skyscraper is beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Okay, back in. It's a skyscraper.
Oh wow, that is a very tall skyscraper.
Oh, look. A skyscraper.
Mommy,
the skyscraper.
I see it. Yeah, nice.
I'm going to pull that.
Are you gonna play basketball over there? You gonna shoot the ball in the hoop? Huh?
No, what? A skyscraper.
Yeah.
Skyscraper. What happened? What happened, Mom? What happened?
Nothing, baby. Look, toy area. This is cool here at Bellevue. Yeah, computer. They got a little sitting area, drawing, paint, books. Pretty cool.